Is your Nintendo Switch Lite running slow, freezing, or acting glitchy? A factory reset can refresh your console and make it feel like new again. This process wipes everything, restores the system to its original settings. So, make sure you back up any data you need. Here's a step-by-step guide through the easiest and safest way to reset your Switch Lite. Let's get into it. Step 1. Backup saved data. Optional but recommended. If you have Nintendo Switch Online, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, select Save Data Cloud, and follow the rest of the process to select the games you want to back up and upload the data. This way, you won't lose your progress after the reset. Step 2. Begin the factory reset. From the home screen, go back to System Settings. Scroll all the way down to System. Then on the right side, scroll to the very bottom. After that, select Formatting options. Then, tap on Initialize Console. Read the warning carefully. It will delete all data and settings. Once done, you can confirm by tapping Next and then Initialize. I'll skip this part since I don't want to reset my Switch, but you can easily reset your device this way. For you, the console will restart and begin the reset process. It may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your Switch will reboot to the setup screen, just like when it was brand new out of the box. So folks, I hope this video did the trick for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple Nintendo tips and tricks.